All right, guys, real quick. I got 4 mevotech ball joints. I had them in like a week. That's it. A week. They're all sloppy. They're all worn. Called, and they told me that I needed to buy caster camber bushings. I bought caster camber bushings. Replaced caster camber bushings. These ones are 3 degrees. I have some for 1/2 degree, which is stock for the F250 with the Dana 60 front. I got the ball joint eliminators on there. I have 2 brand new Moog ball joints in the bottom right now. They are done. I've already went through Moog. I went through mevotech. I went through Duralast Premium. They're junk. I guess if you guys can tell me, you know, what ball joints out there you're using. As of right now, between Duralast Premium, junk, mevotech, junk, this is a motocraft, yeah, motocraft. Either way, it's junk. And again, Moogs, they're junk. I got play all day. This bottom one here on this wheel right here, this is what I wanted to show you. The 2 brand new Moog ball joints. As you can see, those ones are bad. They lasted a day. Thanks for watching.